An interjection is used to express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. So today we will go through the common types of interjections. Interjection of greeting. Hey, hello, hi. Interjection of bidding farewell. Bye, goodbye, see ya. Interjection of joy. This is used to express emotion of happiness. Hooray, wow, yay. For example, wow, I'm so happy for you. Interjection of praise. This type of interjection is used to express approval or praise. Great, well done, brilliant, bravo. For example, well done, you did great. Interjection of attention. This type of interjection is used to draw attention to something. Look, listen, shh. For example, look, it's a lion. Interjection of surprise. This type of interjection is used to express a sense of surprise. What? Ah, oh, wow. For example, what? I can't believe it. Interjection of pain. This type of interjection is used to express strong emotion of grief or pain. Ouch! Ah! Oh! For example, ouch! That hurt. Interjection of doubt. This type of interjection is used to express uncertainty or thinking. For example, let me think.